gas on them nitro, youngin'. Cooler than being cool, that's ice cold, youngin'. We really bad at no bluffing. Self-made boy, that's the end of discussion. Coolin' with Jay, they know we coolin', right? Coolin' with Jay, they know we coolin', right? Coolin' with Jay, they know we coolin'. You ain't really coolin', or you think you're foolin'.
Alright guys, so I am now leaving Cars and Coffee. Today was British Day at Cars and Coffee, so now I am headed to get some gas. 13. Huh? Yes, sir.
Like paper calories?
Yes, sir. Alright guys, so in today's video we're going to be discussing live streaming, because I want to start live streaming my rides and I want to get y'all's opinion about, you know, the day and time y'all think I should do that. So here's my thought, would be like every Thursday do a live stream. Alright, so we can do it where I just ride, you know, and just you know, ride and no talking. So there's two options, okay? I can either use the GoPro on my bike and you can get a cockpit view, or I can use the GoPro on my helmet and get a helmet view. Which one would y'all rather see? To close my visor real quick. Alright, so which one would y'all rather see, guys? Comment view or cockpit view. We can do it like scenic, you know, cruising downtown. Like I said, I truly want to get y'all's opinion on, you know, how you want this to work. Now, if I do it with the helmet cam, right, then that one I can have my phone right here and kind of see some of the messages y'all are saying and kind of respond. Now obviously if I use the cockpit cam, guys, I can't talk, so that's the catch to that. So I'm going to start my video off with that. Like I said, so those are two options, okay? Cockpit view, no talking. Helmet view, I can possibly talk and look at the, you know, glaze down, I guess you could say, at my comic section every now and then. Then of course the next question would be time. So I'm thinking around, you know, around like 1 or 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so West Coast time, basically. And then that's when I would start the vlog, or the live stream, basically, is when I would start it. That's what I want to add to my channel next, is live streaming. So yeah, guys, and again, it doesn't have to be a you know, hard stamp on Thursday, but I do want to make a day where y'all expect like, hey, Thomas is going to be vlogging today, or excuse me, live streaming. So basically what I want to do is a vlog per week and a live stream per week. That's pretty much what I want to do going forward. So that's kind of the ideas. And then, you know, from there, we can decide, you know, if y'all like it more freeway riding, you know, like canyon stuff. Again, I'm not dragging no knee, so, you know, I'm no Dank Wheelie or Max Rich, so don't expect no wheelies. My most wheelie is just because of the torque from the bike. like they'll let it come up but right back down, you know what I'm saying? And then of course next part is about a month from now. Like I said, don't forget guys, I am trying to go to Laguna Seca. At least my bike will be there for sure. I will let y'all know, of course, as we get closer if I am 100% sure going. But as of right now, from the July 11th through the 15th or 16th at least, my bike will be gone, going to Laguna Seca for World Superbike, and it will be on display there with Sean from Competition Works. So that's what's going on. In other news, also what I'm trying to figure out is to get rid of this check engine light. So that's what's next. Any aftermarket exhaust that is not a Acura or Termi with a up map, you're going to get that. So Aero, Competition Works, SC Project, what's the other one? SC Projects, Aero, Competition, Austin Racing, any of those, that check engine light's going to come on a Ducati. So one little drawback. So I'm looking at possible options of getting it tuned, and then seeing exactly how much, you know, what are the power numbers basically, you know, after an actual tune. So that's what's also planned for my summer. I also have a few rides with some buddies as well. Oh wow, that hurt. Also have a few rides with some buddy coming up as well. So my bike just got back. I'm not sure if y'all follow me on social media, but my bike just got back also from Utah for a bike show there too as well. And this weather is crappy. This weather is shit. I was trying to catch that bike, but it's going a different direction, so I guess not. Oh, I love it. I love it. My bike is almost, I can see that. My bike is almost at 2,000 miles. So I'm gonna do a 2,000 mile review of my bike, and you know, kind of give y'all an update on how I feel about it, and see if any of my opinions have changed. Alright guys, thank you for cooling with Jay as always, and I will see all of y'all in the next video.
Coolin' with Jay, they know we coolin', right? Coolin' with Jay, they know we coolin', right? Coolin' with Jay, they know we coolin'. You ain't really coolin', or you think you're foolin'. You used to doubt the kid, haters, I love her. Shorty right by me, though I put nothing above her. Created a new lane, see this a new way. Kid game sick, MJ with the flu game. Did it on my own, I don't know you nothing. I'm done working for the man, no cuffin'. See you in the front and we in the stuntin'. Gotta be moving, no, I gotta get into something. Hit the gas on them nitro, youngin'. Coolin' and being cool, that's ice cold, youngin'. We really bad at no bluffing. Self-made boy, that's the end of discussion. Hit the gas on them nitro, youngin'. Coolin' and being cool, that's ice cold, youngin'. We really bad at no bluffing. Self-made boy, that's the end of discussion. Coolin' with Jay, they know we coolin', right? Coolin' with Jay, they know we coolin', right? Coolin' with Jay, they know we coolin'. You ain't really coolin', or you think you're foolin'. Coolin' with Jay, they know we coolin', right? Coolin' with Jay, they know we coolin', right? Coolin' with Jay, they know we coolin'. You ain't really coolin', or you think you're foolin'.